So I will note down all these things, and then yeah, I will try to make some notes related
So
to.
you had been applying for a job at various colleges and universities. Finally,
Yeah.
you get selected at Miranda House as a lecturer, as an assistant lecturer.
Okay.
So how would you conduct your first class in college?
Okay. So there I have a syllabus. So I would like to pick a topic, first topic, like first day in the class. I would like to start introduction. First, I introduce myself, and then I introduce what I teach, what I will teach here, and I will try to write short points before going the class. I will try to short points whatever I'm going to teach. So this is how I make a conclusion, and I will go in the class, and after after introduction, then I will start teaching with the topic. And first I introduce the topic, and how we will complete uh, that unit, and how many days we will come in how many days we will complete this unit. And then we will start. And after before 10 to um, after taking class, I will try to give I will try to ask questions with my students, whatever they listen in that class. So if they didn't understand me, whatever I told them, whatever I teach them, so I uh, I start working on that. If they understand, then there is no need to change. If they don't understand me properly, so I will try to implement new methods and new techniques to make them understand. So yeah, and asking them question is clear be clear to me, like I am okay or with this method or not. This is how I will try to teach.
So what subject would you be teaching?
I can teach English. I can teach human resource management. The marketing I teach. I can also teach marketing. Yeah.
And would you make notes after attending the first class?
After or before
After you attend the first class, would you be making some notes about the
feedback.
students or your subject?
Yeah, after taking feedback from students, so I will try to note all the points whatever they tell me. Then I will try to implement them. And if there is if there something is good, so I will note down all these things. And then yeah, I will try to make some notes related to syllabus also. Yeah.
Okay, so Miranda House is quite far. It's in North Delhi.
Yeah.
So how would you commute? Or would you try to shift that side to
Yeah,
really?
I would like to shift there because I don't like travel too much. So I would like to shift in that college. If there is a there will be any PG or any uh, staff room or like this. If there is any facility to live there, so I will try to stay there. I will try to live there. Otherwise, I will find any PG by myself
Yeah,
in
there are a lot
that.
of paying guest facilities
Yeah,
in Goa. A lot of paying
yeah,
guests. Many students stay together at these paying guests.
yeah.
And what about your food? Would you
Yeah,
have
food
your
I
lunch at the college or you will prepare on your own?
yeah, I would like to prepare by myself because I like cooking, and I don't like eat much. I don't like eat outside and in any canteen or cafeteria. I don't like, and so I will try to make a kitchen also. I will buy some some food material, and then I will start cooking by myself. I will take my lunch. I will prepare my lunch myself, and I will take it with me.
So would you make some friendships with other teachers?
Yeah, definitely. It is very uh, good thing if we make new friends, and we feel comfortable after making friends, and we it is very good for if we want to know the environment of that college, and we want to know about studies, because I don't know I don't have much knowledge about the college and environment and about the city. So it would be good for me if I make some good friends in the college.
Would you want would you like to have something, from the school authority to help you in settling down?
I think there will be no issue with me because it is a very popular popular college. So yeah, if there is problem in anything, in taking classes, or if in eating food, so I will try to ask with college seniors and try it to sort that problem. I will try to sort out the problem.
Wouldn't you have any list of things that you would want the college authority to provide you?
Yeah, first I first thing I want from that college is safety, uh, and uh, other thing is water should be good, and the washrooms, or I also like I also want washrooms are very clean. Um, I don't like, how can I say, un unhygienic thing. So I would like to uh, good washrooms, and classrooms also well furnished and well organized. Yeah, and I would like to, sorry, I will ask them for good library. I want to read so many books. I need I will I need it because I want to teach students. So yeah, if there is if there will be a library, then it will be very helpful for me. These are the basic thing, yeah, I want.
So, being a newcomer, how would you spend your weekends?
Newcomer. Okay. So being a newcomer, I would like to go outside in the market, want to explore new things. I will try to explore market, and what is the famous there. I will try to go there, and otherwise I will try to make notes whatever I'm going to teach, and whatever mistakes I have done. So I would like to correct them. These are the things.
So, wouldn't you like to visit your parents after some times?
Yeah, I will try to go go there. But yeah, I want to I want to come my family with me. If they have a time, so they should come to me. Otherwise, I will go, go, go to my home if I
Yeah.
will get time. Otherwise, in 2 3 months.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
once in
I
a
have a
while
lot of
you can go, and once in a while you can go to meet your
yeah,
parents,
yeah,
and other times they can come and visit you.
yeah.
So we will meet again later at 11:40.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Thank you,
then
sir.
see
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.